पोचतायत. जस्ट आत्ताच झाला फोन.
कॉफी आणू का?
येतील ग. वाव, नाईस.
कुठे तिथेच आले?
हो, इथेच आहेत खाली. आल्या. सॉरी.
How are you? And your coffee is ready. Yeah?
Any.
Okay. Thank you.
I hope you'll like it.
Thank you.
Thank you. Sorry we got late.
I know.
मी मेनकाला साडी नेसण्यासाठी कन्व्हिन्स करत होते.
Hey, what is this? Yeah.
नहीं, no chance. Sorry.
क्यों चलो? I mean, next time when we meet, I think you'll have to wear
Next
sari.
time? I was asking her also, तुम साड़ी में क्यों आए? कुछ प्लान बनाया क्या तुम लोगों ने? She said you'll come and know.
Yeah.
Nice, very pretty.
No, that's why.
Sorry. No phones.
I know.
Sorry.
No phones, yaar. Every time can't have.
We मतलब
We have decided on our things. No phones, please.
But I'm a mother. I cannot not have a phone at all.
Yeah, that is.
मैं साइलेंट पे रखूंगी.
Silent पे रख दे.
मुझे तो मदना
What do you mean by you are a mother? हम भी mothers हैं.
Oh yeah.
अच्छा तुम लोग
हमारे घर में भी emergencies हो सकती हैं.
you are
अब मैं मेरे मदर की मदर होती हूँ रात 10 बजे के बाद. When she ventures, my mother, when she moves her ventures, she looks really cute, baby like. 10 बजे के बाद मैं उसकी
You are the mother.
Yes.
So see, all of us are parents here.
मेरा
We all
Yeah.
have kids to take care of.
पर your cat cat नहीं तुझे कितनी pets है?
I have 2 dogs, 1 cat, 1 bird.
Wow.
Pet
She's a
parent.
multi-dimensional mother.
Yeah. But even you have like multiple.
And your children are not going to grow up.
Yeah, that's the best part,
Hmm.
no?
My child is going to grow up.
And what
What tell him today?
So today I told him की मी एका शूट साठी जाते
हम्म.
आणि 4 चौघी नंतर आता थोडा ब्रेक झाला ना
हो.
मध्ये. सो आय टोल्ड कार्तिक की आज माझं शूट आहे आणि ही स्टार्टेड डोंट गो.
रडला बाबा.
हसा उंशी रडला. टीयर्स रोलिंग
I
डाऊन.
think every Sunday she is now taking him out. आपण
Yeah.
पण एकदा गेलो होतो आता.
Correct.
गाडीचा.
So basically
हाँ,
2 साल मैंने नाटक किया ना
हाँ.
4 चौघी.
Correct.
तो एवरी वीकेंड आई वाज आउट यार. वीकेंड्स वर वर्किंग फॉर मी. तो उसके
बस
सारे
missing you.
फ्रेंड्स अपने पेरेंट्स के साथ
Yeah.
घूमने जाते थे. ये बेचारा घर पे नीचे.
But he's a obedient boy.
He's a good child. Yeah.
Obedient.
Yeah, man.
हाँ कभी कभी होता है पर या ही इज अ गुड किड.
आता पण तुला आठवतं मी नेहमी म्हणायचे मुलं लहान असली तरी मला स्मार्ट मुलंच आवडतात. गोड मुलं. When she was pregnant, she said, मुझे बहुत टेन्शन हो रहा है. आणि तिने मला सांगितलं शर्वरी मी काही गॅरंटी देत नाही माझं बाळ
मेरा
गोड
बच्चा.
होईल का? He's a guy.
Like that.
And she has that view. You have. Yeah.
Smart.
मेरा बायस पता है क्या है? बच्चे कभी बड़े नहीं होने चाहिए. इसलिए मेरे लिए आई थिंक दीज कैट्स आर परफेक्ट.
आई रिमेम्बर टेलिंग माई सेल्फ की अब तुम एक कॅट के साथ रहोगी. मेनका जेव्हा घराच्या बाहेर जाईल तेव्हा मी आणि एक मांजर घरात
I
असणार आहोत.
literally conned her. Even actually हमारी मीटिंग भी बहुत चांस हुई थी. The way we shifted with each other
येस.
because we had met 2 decades back.
Yeah.
We had shot Bombay Lawyers together.
Yeah.
Then we didn't meet for a decade. Yeah. And
Yeah.
After a decade,
That's crazy.
we bumped into each other where? Oberoi Mall. That's when I said,
12.
come home.
12.
Hmm.
12.
And
2012.
she came home. She said, listen, I'm looking to shift into Andheri. I said, yeah, man, even I'm looking to shift into Andheri. She's like, इतना अच्छा घर है तेरा गुड़गांव में. Why are you looking at rental? I said, यार मैं रोज रोज commute नहीं कर सकती.
So हमारे the questions were कि तुम बॉम्बे में तुम्हारा घर है तुम क्यों अलग रहना चाहती हो. And she was like, you have your mother's home तुम क्यों अलग रहना चाहती हो. But I think that was the phase when I wanted to be on my own,
Yeah.
live on my own. But at the same time, I wanted somebody. So I think it really worked
Yeah.
out.
I think
And
I
I think
basically
both of
wanted to
us
be closer to work. For me, this
Yeah,
commute
yeah.
was just killing me. So I said, chalo, let's shift out, yeah.
Yeah.
And cat
But you also
pushed
lived
me
alone, no?
Yeah.
You also lived
Yeah.
alone.
She pushed me a little bit.
Yeah.
To think about living alone. I was also thinking, but
But my house was the first house
chose your house for me.
I was the first one to live alone.
Yeah, that was the first and last
know
time
that.
I lived
Oh,
alone.
I didn't know that.
So basically, traditionally, अगर आप इसी सिटी में रह रहे हैं, सेम सिटी में, और आप अपने पेरेंट्स के साथ रह रहे हैं, तो आप उन्हीं के साथ रह जाते
Yeah.
हो.
The rentals of Bombay are so
So
ridiculous.
you are in Bombay and you're not living with your parents. That's why you're living alone.
Yeah.
हम तीनों बॉम्बे से हैं.
Yeah.
और हम
Yeah,
अपने
all
पेरेंट्स
of
के
us have
साथ
done
रह
that.
रहे हैं.
Right.
So it is very tricky for us, even if
I
we
know.
feel like shifting out. ट्रेडिशनली असं वाटतं ना की
हो.
आई बाबांना सोडून यांना कशाला
हो,
एकत्र
माझ्या आईला पण
राहायचंय.
असंच वाटलं.
हम्म.
म्हणाले, का म्हणजे जायचंय तुला?
So how did you decide to shift into my house?
So your house was like कादंबरी set up everything. She said, शर्वरी तुझ्यासाठी एक घर आहे. खूप सुंदर घर आहे आणि मुलगी तू त्याच मुलीच्या जवळ तुला एक support फक्त तिथे शिफ्ट हो. She just arranged everything.
Oh.
And it was her fault because I trust her so much because our friendship also goes back
Way back.
almost
Yeah.
25 years now.
Yeah.
So since she said this house is good for you, so I मतलब 50-80% काम हो गया था.
बेसिकली मैंने कुछ और क्या बोलते हैं सेटअप करने की कोशिश की, जैसे इसकी शादी हो जाए या इसको कोई मिल जाए, हम लोग वो सेटअप करने की कोशिश करते हैं. देन एक पॉइंट के बाद स्पेशली आफ्टर 40s यू डोंट केयर
That's true.
That's true.
एंड यू फील कि हेलो मुझे मेरी जिंदगी जीनी है एंड आई वांटेड हर टू लिव हर लाइफ,
Correct.
स्टार्ट लिविंग हर लाइफ. सो मैंने बोला
But
कि
it was
of
such
course
a-
we love our parents, but एक बार
Yeah.
थोड़ा
No, but
एक
it takes a time. It takes that one moment to say that no, I want to step out.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
And it's not out of any anger, guilt, or some kind of a negative feeling.
Yeah.
It's just that you want to explore.
So same thing happened when I shifted out of Delhi. I was too young. I had literally finished my studies and chalo Bombay chalo. Like Bombay is like another city.
Yeah.
I didn't know anyone in Bombay. It was literally like a shock for my parents. Where are you going to stay? Whom are you going to? My parents were petrified. But I think they had some confidence in me because was already very independent, even staying in Delhi. But I think at that point, the main trigger for me was that I just wanted to get away from the umbrella of my parents and start living my life independently. Like I started getting those urges way early. कि मुझे तो
For me,
I-
it happened when I went to New Zealand for a year.
Hmm.
That was that moment where I said, I
What
can,
New
I can,
What
I
were you
can.
doing in New Zealand?
I was in New Zealand.
What
for
are
a
you
year.
doing there?
I was studying
Okay.
for a year.
Nice.
So I said, no, this is good. And you can, actually explore your life.
Correct.
You can step out on your own. I actually, at that point, I started thinking, what do I want to eat today? घर का खाना नहीं तो बनता है ना?
हाँ, correct. You have to start figuring everything in life, no?
I had to
Yeah.
think that आज क्या खाना है? Okay, wow, I'm liking this.
Yeah,
So
correct.
that was a good experience, and I think that's what motivated me to.
I think it's
shift
also
out.
important, as women, for us to become independent much early.
much
Yeah,
earlier.
yeah.
Yeah,
Because
yeah.
boys generally are very independent. And for us to figure out so late in life कि अरे अब मैं इसको कैसे करूँगी? I'm telling you, a lot of my own friends from Delhi, they now struggle. Like उनको छोटी-छोटी चीजें नहीं पता है कि सच बता रही हूँ बैंक अकाउंट कैसे ऑपरेट करना है नहीं पता है क्योंकि पापा ने किया फिर हस्बैंड ने किया.
But that
ये
also,
अभी
I
भी
think,
तो बेसिक्स करता है.
Yeah,
लाइक
yeah,
बॉम्बे
yeah.
एंड दिल्ली,
of course.
Yeah.
बिग सिटीज में भी एग्जिस्ट करता है.
वो dependent
एक्चुअली
on-
सोसाइटी का प्रेशर भी है ना, लड़कों को जल्दी वो चाहते हैं जल्दी कमाने लग जाए,
हाँ.
लड़की के लिए चाहते हैं कि इसकी जल्दी शादी हो जाए.
Correct. Correct.
Why do you move out of your parents' house? The most natural ways of living your parents is marriage or studies or
Yeah.
job.
Must have been difficult for you, no?
Or
very
It was
difficult
same
for her.
city.
It was very difficult for her.
Then how did you
was
manage
difficult
that?
and- Manage मतलब
पेरेंट्स को कन्विंस कैसे किया कि मुझे इधर से निकलना है
नहीं,
और
मैं
क्यों
father-
रहना है अलग?
हाँ,
हाँ,
मैं-
that's a big question.
My father, since he was old, he was थोड़ा सा उनको था थोड़ा कि मत जाओ माया की बुरी, and they didn't find it odd कि if you're not getting married you can't live with, because I had friends whose mothers told them कि अगर शादी नहीं करनी है तो अपने आप रहो, हमारे घर में नहीं रह सकते आफ्टर अ सर्टेन एज. मेरे घर में ऐसा कुछ नहीं था, मैं से अच्छे से कुशल, मेरी उम्र बढ़ती जा रही थी, मैं घर में रह के और छोटी छोटी होती जा रही थी, छोटी होती जा रही थी. मैं मतलब बिकॉज विद योर पेरेंट्स तुम उतने ही रहते हो ना, एक तो देन इट वाज अ
मेच्योरिटी लेवल्स नहीं आती है.
हाँ, तो फ्रस्ट्रेटिंग मुझे होने लगा क्योंकि सब मेरे दोस्त हैं एरिया के जो बच्चे थे और हम लोग खेलते थे,
हाँ.
वो सब कहीं कहीं चले गए हैं, मतलब
हाँ.
कोई शादी करके चले
Wait, I
गया.
have to tell them this. शर्वरी ने एक दिन मुझे एक्सप्लेन किया था. फ्रस्ट्रेशन में उसका हम शिवाजी पार्क में मिलते थे. तर शर्वरी मला असं म्हणाली, सॉरी लेट मी स्पीक इन मराठी. या प्लीज. शर्वरी मला म्हणाली, कादंबरी मला असं वाटतंय की एक अशी दरी आहे आणि त्या दरीच्या काठावर मी वरती उभी आहे आणि माझ्या मागणं छान लोक येत आहेत माझे फ्रेंड्स आणि असे छान आनंदाने त्या दरीत उडी मारतायत.
This was about marriage.
Marriage.
की मी असं लग्नासाठी कशी उभी आहे
खडी आहे.
and girls are coming, "Hey, I'm getting
I'm
married."
married.
And they said, "Oh, ये कूद रहा है, मुझे क्यों ना होना है ये?"
मैं
कर पा रही हूँ.
It's too funny, it's too funny. And फिर मैंने उसका जोक बनाया. मैंने बोला अब वहाँ पे एक बेंच है जिसपे शर्वरी बैठी है.
बैठी है तो तू सोच ही रहेगी.
सब लोग आ रहे हैं और कूद रहे हैं. शर्वरी
शर्वरी आप कॉफी एंजॉय कर रही
एंजॉय कर रही है. Oh hi.
नहीं और
So how did you feel shifting out to this place?
See, I wanted to buy my own place. So that's
Acha.
how I kind of
Right.
started looking out for places, and that was a very scary, at the same time reality check kind of a situation, because I said, okay, EMIs bharne hai
I
abhi.
know.
Sab shuru hone wala hai. Do I really want
Finally,
this?
my earning will not be mine.
Yeah,
सब खर्चा
do
हो
I
जाएगा.
really want this? But then my mom was, of course, a very strong support. My grandmother supported me at that point. And nahi,
आजी
स्वतः
होती
हो
है.
हो
आजी होती है
स्वतःचं
घरी.
घर हो
Oh,
हो
wow, wow.
स्वतःचं घर घेणं is a big deal, and you
किती
should.
छान. I remember coming to his house.
Oh my
initially.
God, we've
How many
really
parties we had here.
parties, and we've had a great time, I feel.
Seriously.
And even your house, my God.
Oh my God.
We have celebrated so many cat birthdays. Sorry, Sharwari.
You know how Jinju's first birthday was celebrated? I'm sorry, I'm coming back to Jinju. She's like, I don't want to know also.
insist you can see.
कार्तिकचा फोन येऊन गेला.
काय म्हणतोय
मेसेज काहीतरी.
तुला किती वेळ दिलाय त्यांनी
चलो चलो त्या गोड बाळासाठी मला आता निघायला लागेल. Are you coming with me?
Yeah, come. I'll also get back.
when are we meeting next?
Next fortnight.
Yeah.